Hello and welcome. In today's video I'd like to show you another interesting gadget which when I saw I bought right away because I wanted to show it to you. It's a very useful gadget and it can be used as a line cutter, as a tune tool for baits, as a hook eye cleaner, as a knot tying tool, as a quick loop tire, and as a hook sharpener. So it's 6 in 1. If you'll find the content useful, don't forget to like the video, and you can also subscribe to the channel if you'd like to support it and become a part of our community. So this gadget comes with a carabiner retractor, as you can see, and it also has an instruction within it on how to tie hooks with this gadget. So as you can see, it's pretty small, it fits in my hand, and well, it has this locking switch over here, which I'm gonna remove, and yeah, it becomes like a small pliers. So over here, we've got a line cutter. Let us have a look how it cuts the line. Yeah, so it cuts the line like through butter, and from the description of this gadget, it can actually cut a steel wire, a carbon line, PE line, mono, fluoro, and braided line easily. Over here, we've got a hook tying tool. And well, I'm gonna show it to you quite quickly how you can tie hooks with it. So you just take the line, put it on the top, and just make like from 5-7 wraps around the gadget. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I've actually done 6. Now you need to put the line through the loops that you've done from the back to the front. Now you take the hook, you insert the hook through the loops that you've just done, and then gently just pull the line. And as you can see, we've managed to tie the hook pretty easy and fast. So that's with the hook tire. Then we've got a hook sharpener over here. Well, I won't be actually showing you how to use it. It's pretty simple. You just take the hook and you sharpen it if you need it. So there is no need to cover this one. Over here, we have a quick loop tire, and I'm gonna show you how to use it. So you take the line and you make the loop like so. Just wrap it around your finger. Now the two lines, they go over here like so. Then you just spin the tool once. I've actually noticed that if you do it twice, the knot becomes much stronger, but I'll do it only once because it is up to you. You can try to spin it twice, but it's your choice. Now we take the loop and we put it on the top part like so, and then we just pull the line. The next thing is to remove the line from this end here, like so, and now we just pull the line a bit harder in order to make our loop, as you can see. So all is pretty easy and fast, like so. Yeah, it's basically just like when you want to do it pretty fast, like so. And here it is. So we've done 2 loops, as you can see, pretty easy and fast. Also, it has this hook eye cleaner. I'm not sure if you're able to see it, but well, it's there. And well, over here we've got a hanging hole. So you just put the retractor onto this hole here and you won't lose the gadget. So I think that I've covered pretty much all of it. The gadget is pretty small, very useful, and well, that's probably gonna be one of my favorite gadgets that I'm gonna be using while fishing. So it's pretty much the end of the video. I really hope that you've enjoyed the video, and if you'll find the content useful, don't forget to like it. I'll put the link to the gadget in the description if you'd like to check the price. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.